A 2004 Ford Explorer V6. It does not engage in drive or reverse. So I did some research and I took the this is the overdrive servo. It's the smaller one. The intermediate one, which is right behind it, is the bigger one. I took them both out. I had a transmission drop, but I already put the transmission back up. And what happened was I found out that this piece right here was broken inside. This transmission on this Explorer was rebuilt in 2013. So what I did, I checked the bore, make sure they put the sleeves in it, and they sure did put the sleeves in it. So that's why it doesn't have that white plastic piece. If you don't have the sleeves in it, you can buy the servo and it have the white plastic piece on the shaft, so that way you don't have to bore it out and drop the transmission, do a whole bunch of work. Well, anyway, when I first put it in, I forgot to put the spring in. Make sure you have a spring go on the shaft, and with the spring it's going to be hard to put it in. You can try to push it and do whatever, it will not go in. Even if you use a pry bar with a block of wood, it will not go in far enough. So what I did, I'm going to show you what I did. Let's go underneath the car. I got me a bottle jack. Okay, that's the bottle jack I have. You can get a smaller one. This one is a 6-ton, and I put a block of wood underneath it because it doesn't go in evenly. So what you want to do, you want to push it in the center of the servo, and see how I got it now. I got it pushed back enough so I can put the snap ring in it. So I'm about to push the snap ring in it. But in order to do this, you have to drop the muffler, the exhaust and muffler, and the cross member that hold the transmission. And I just use a jack stand to hold up the transmission right there. The reason why I have to drop the cross member that support the transmission is because the freaking bracket that hold the muffler, this one right here, goes over the freaking cross member, and you cannot get it down without dropping the cross member. So yeah, I have enough room now so I can put the snap ring in. I just want to make this video for the people that want to do with the transmission still in. You can get a smaller jack. With a smaller jack, it should be a lot easier, but it does work. Look at that. I have plenty of room now to get my my snap ring plier and the snap ring in. I use this heavy duty snap ring plier. Let me move the flashlight. Right here, this is my heavy duty snap ring plier. This worked great. See, you just push the lever and it go from open to close or close to open. See, it's got the adjustment right there. Switch it the other way and it go from from open. This one, I'm sorry, from close to open. This one's from open to close. So this is a great snap ring plier. So yeah, try it this way. Just put it up against the frame, and if it's not even, just get you a little small block of wood right there. And now I'm gonna put my snap ring plier in, and don't forget the spring inside the servo, because I did, and I have a hard time trying to take this cover off and the servo off. I actually break the servo, try to get it off. The spring helps it push it back, so that way you can remove it easily. That's why I was wondering why it popped out so easily when I first took it off, and when I put it on, I didn't realize there was a spring in there until I saw it laying on the ground and I was like, what the hell? So, but yeah, hopefully you can do it and get it in. So I hope this helped. Good luck.